Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? Oh, man, there's a PK grill laying in a driveway here in rural Minnesota. Hey, I recognize that. I used to have one of those. What the heck is going on here? See, my name isn't even on it. We got Mad Horse Barbecue here, running away from the scene of the crime. I had to get a new PK because this one found its way to Minnesota. So we're all kidding aside, folks. We're going to be cooking on my PK, the original PK. You've seen me cook recently on the new PK, and we're going to be doing some steaks today. I'll tell you what, it's going to be awesome. On the original PK, folks, you can't go wrong with PK. In fact, you go to a steak competition association, and you're going to notice that a lot of guys are doing their steaks on PKs. Tells you something right there. So let's we're gonna get her fired up. We're gonna take a look at some beautiful sirloin steaks, and oh man, we're doing some prep work here. We got the grill grates. That's part of the key to cooking on the PK, and we'll give you a look-see as we proceed. My PK. All right, so there's our sirloins, and then this is what Brian from Mad Horse Barbecue has got picked out here. We got some of the Blues Hog, Bull, and Beefy. And then this Tailgater's Barbecue Party, really nice stuff. And then, a little controversy here because we are using just a tad bit of accent. This is MSG. So, Brian, tell us more about why you use the MSG.
MSG good.
So there you have it from a grilling expert, MSG good. All right, folks, the old-fashioned way with a chimney starter, B&B. Hotter, longer, better, folks. Check them out. Find them at Ace Hardware. All right, here's the point of controversy right here. Put on the old MSG. Oh, MSG is just so good, folks. Hey, there's obviously there's a lot of opinions on it, but
YOLO.
Okay. So we got a helper here today. That's Mini Mad Horse right there, if you're wondering.
Oh, good book.
Just giving a little bit of everything on there. Now, what's that one got in it, Brian?
Tailgaters?
Tailgaters.
The best, pretty much. A lot of stuff: salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, Worcestershire W powder, and then a bunch of other stuff. But best rub here, Tailgaters Barbecue Party Rub. Go.
There you go.
Sucklebuster sells it.
So there you go, from Mad Horse Barbecue. Even does the edges. A lot of detail going on here.
Is there ducks in there?
All right, let's get the charcoal in there. Oh man, that is hot. Those sirloins, oh, they're gonna be good. All right, we're going through the setup here. We got the grill grates over the charcoal. And instead of doing what a lot of people call reverse sear, we're actually gonna sear them first and then cook them the rest of the way like that. So a lot of people, a lot of preferences here, but Barbecue Brian, which way do you like it?
I used to be the reverse sear type for the longest time, but now I personally think that they turn out better if you put them on the direct heat first. Get your color, get your grill lines. I know grill lines don't taste like anything, but they're cool. I like putting them on direct heat and then finishing them off on the indirect heat.
And it always goes better with a northeast. All right, there we go, folks. Precisely placed by Brian from Mad Horse Barbecue. He said we're going to sear them first and then indirect. Give you a look-see. Ooh, really getting fancy here. We got a bacon press going on down there. We got to get those grill lines much pronounced. All right, 1 minute and 5 seconds on one side. Now we're going to go for the indirect.
Nope. We're going to get all our sear, but I got to clean the grates off before I do it.
All right, I'm being corrected here. So we're going to put them off to the side, clean the grill grates, and then we're going to put them back on the other side for the sear on the other side.
You got it.
Oh man, look at that. That's perfect. Got an expert here, folks.
I just like to drink beer.
And grill steak.
And grill steak.
All right, it's the same routine. Take them off, clean, and then we got sear lines on both sides now. So we're gonna clean, and then we're gonna go back to the other side and get our cross lines in.
Correct.
So how do you know what angle to put them at?
Using the narrow end as my indicator. So the narrow end was that way twice, and now the narrow end's gonna be this way twice.
Oh, there you go. Pro tip. Well, will you look at what he's using here? The Thermal Pen 1. Huh. All right, let's see the moment of truth here. Oh, man, will you look at those lines? That's beautiful right there. I'll tell you what, folks. Watching a professional work here is just, makes it look easy, really does. Bacon press, folks, that does the trick right there. All right, we got our sirloins perfect on both sides. Now we're gonna go and do the indirect on that side. Are you gonna oh, he's gonna check temperature with that purple thing. That is one of these half-second readers. Look at that. Is that from Thermopen?
The Thermopen 1, we're reading about 105.
Look at how fast that thing works. I'll tell you. It is. Is it second or is it more than that?
It's a second.
It's a second.
1 second.
1 second, he says.
Yep.
I was counting. It was actually closer to half a second.
Well, you can't read on the backside of it, so I don't know what you're looking at.
Yeah, you're right. That's probably why I screwed mine up. I'll tell you what, folks. We talked about, all kidding aside, about the PK and how it's just an awesome steak cooker. And this thing really is an awesome steak cooker. And I tell you what, we'll give you a look-see once these are plated up, but going to be awesome steaks. I'm one of the best steak cookers there is out there. Check out PK Grills, folks. They are the best. Right there they are. They've rusted for how long there?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Bad Horse Barbecue. Check them out on YouTube, folks. Look at that. That is medium rare.
Yeah.
That's
Pretty
perfect.
medium
Perfect medium rare. You know, and the thing is, that was my PK that was done on. So
My PK. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's try that out, huh?
how is that?
The MSG just takes it to the next level. You know, I'm not usually a strip fan, but those New York strips are delicious.
Well, you heard it here first here, folks. So hope you enjoy this. Tom Horsman on YouTube. And don't forget to check out Mad Horse Barbecue. Also YouTube. I'll leave the link down below. And as always, folks, I can't say enough. We're going to have steak and Swiss rolls with our dinner. So, folks, thanks for playing along. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.